Hey everybody, it's Alvin coming from the YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, love, comment, and share. Y'all, I am cleaning up the kitchen. So, y'all gonna see before. Y'all see the before. Now y'all gonna see when it says after, when I show you the after product. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the after. See? See? So yeah, I'm just cleaning the microwave oven right now. Cause you guys, Spirit told me to come and do a video. And yeah. And he wants me to title this and say cleaning the kitchen. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say, y'all, I'm cleaning the kitchen. That's gonna be the title for this video today. And yeah, so, yeah. Um, also, so, yeah. So, yep. So, can y'all tell the difference? Do it look clean? So, yeah. So, putting everything back. So, yeah.